How to exfoliate your face. Exfoliating your face is an essential step in a skincare routine that helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote a healthier complexion. Here's a guide on how to exfoliate your face. Step 1. Determine your skin type. Different skin types require different exfoliation frequencies and products. If you have sensitive skin, you may need a gentler exfoliant, while oily skin might benefit from more frequent exfoliation. Step 2. Choose the right exfoliant. There are two main types of exfoliants: physical, mechanical, and chemical. Choose an exfoliant based on your skin type and concerns. Step 3. Cleanse your face. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities from your face. This allows the exfoliant to work more effectively. Step 4. Follow instructions. Read and follow the instructions on your chosen exfoliant. Some products are meant to be used daily, while others may recommend 2 to 3 times a week. Step 5. Apply exfoliant. For physical exfoliants, gently massage the scrub onto your damp face using circular motions. Avoid applying too much pressure, as this can irritate the skin. Step 6. Rinse. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove the exfoliant. Make sure there is no residue left on your skin. Step 7. Moisturize. Apply a moisturizer to hydrate and soothe your skin. Exfoliating can sometimes leave your skin a bit dry, so it's crucial to replenish moisture. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.